Welcome back to another vlog. It's Wednesday. I just got to Walmart because I had a last minute UGC collab pop up and I need to pick up some products. It has a quick turnaround, so I plan on filming that this weekend. Tomorrow's the 4th of July, so my husband and I are planning on going to the beach. I say planning because we're both like, is that really a smart idea for us to go to the beach on the 4th of July? The traffic is probably going to be crazy, but we haven't been to the beach at all this year yet. And I've been craving a beach trip. We have all of our beach supplies. We have a wagon, we have an umbrella, beach chairs. I just got us some new beach towels. I have a new bikini that I haven't even worn to the beach yet. So I'm really excited to go to the beach. I just don't know if tomorrow's gonna be the smartest move. I'm just trying to put positive vibes out and manifest a nice beach trip. Before I go into Walmart, I wanna make a video with this Time-O portable hair straightener. I'm just going to straighten my bangs. I just washed my hair yesterday. Was it yesterday? That's why it looks so good right now. But I wanna see how this works on my bangs because sometimes I do like to straighten them with a little curl. So I'm gonna do that right now. This thing is so freaking cute and the quality is really nice. They actually sell these at Target. I got it off of TikTok Shop. As usual, I have so much content to film and edit and I'm kind of stressed out, especially with this new collab that just came up. I'm super grateful for it, but when it comes to time management, one thing about me, I just love stressing myself out for no freaking reason. I swear I've been here so many times and I always tell myself, okay, I'm not gonna stress for no reason, and here I am stressing out again. But I do have plenty of time to get everything done, and that's with having a beach day tomorrow, so I just need to chill. I stress myself out for no reason because I think the things that I need to get done are actually going to take longer than they really do. After this, I'm going to go to TJ Maxx and HomeGoods because I need to look for a new backdrop for when I film my UGC content, because brands don't like when you have other brands in the background. And this picture has the LV print on her towel, so I need to either just take this down or replace it. I feel like it would look a little bit too plain if I just took it down, so that's why I want to look for something to replace it that doesn't have any branding on it. I plan on filming the content in my bathroom and I just want it to look nice. I don't want it to look undone or like something's missing. So hopefully I can find something today, and if not, I'll just have to film it with the plain background because like I said, the turnaround on this video is super fast. I think it's going to be fine regardless. I'm just trying to do the most. I always try to do the most for my UGC videos, as you should, right? Because you want these people to come back to you, because I need more work, okay? I need more money so I can get my bag. I think my camera overheated because it's so hot outside, but I just finished and I think it looks good. I love how my bangs look when I blow them out like that. But now I don't have to blow them out. Now I can just use this little straightener. This was so easy to use. It's still a little warm right now. My scalp is not scalping right now. I'm upset because my psoriasis is psoriasin, okay? I just washed my hair too. I hate that. That is the worst. If you have psoriasis, like scalp psoriasis, then you know the struggle. So I'm going through it right now. I'm trying not to let it bother me, but yeah, it's just real life, right? But the good thing is like you can't really tell unless I like play with my hair a little bit too much. So I'm just trying to not do that. And plus, I mean, everyone has something, right? No one's perfect. And I have psoriasis. Okay, let's go into Walmart because that took me way longer than it should have. I'm at HomeGoods right now and I just found some Versace towels. Look, they're $180. I would never. Okay, I bought a robe for around the same price, but a towel? No. But I saw these ones and they almost look purple, right? But I asked my husband what color they are and he said pink, so I think I'm gonna get them. And they're Kate Spade. Because I've been seeing these ones and I don't like this frill. I feel like this looks a little granny-ish, and I feel like this color is a little granny-ish too. It's a little bit darker than this one. I think I'm gonna get these for my bathroom. I'm looking at the paintings. I like this one, but I think it's a little bit too big. And my man said it looks like it belongs in his grandma's house. I need this, but in pink. I'm back home now and I just unboxed my towel warmer. I'm so excited to use this, and my new umbrella came in the mail just in time for our beach trip. I need to get all of our beach stuff put together, so that's why I have my book right there. I got these pink towels for my bathroom, and I didn't end up getting those flower pictures after all because I liked them, but I didn't love them. So my husband took me to Marshall's after that. He's so sweet. He was just driving me around all day because he knew I was so stressed. But I didn't find anything at Marshall's, and then I went over to Ross, and right when I was just about to give up all hope, I stumbled upon these two pictures, and I thought they're just perfect because they have a pink hue to them and they'll match my aesthetic perfectly. I think I'm just gonna replace them with my Louis Vuitton one that I have in there permanently and just keep them up because I love the palm tree vibe. Again, it has like a little pink hue in the sky, and then the bus has light pink on it too, which is perfect. It matches the towels perfect. It was just meant to be. Yay, now I gotta hang these up. I redid most of my bathroom in last week's vlog, and I decided to put this picture in this frame that I got from Marshall's. This is from when we went to a Las Vegas art museum in 2019. But how perfect is this for the bathroom, right? You can see Captain America's butt crack. I think you can see Spidey's butt crack and The Rock's butt crack. That's hilarious. They're all hanging out. I just finished cleaning the walls with an eraser daddy, and it looks so good. Yay, I couldn't have done this without my husband. He's the best. Good morning, happy 4th of July. We are on the way to the beach right now. We got the car packed up. We're gonna spend all day on the beach. I'm really excited, but I'm starving right now. We haven't had breakfast, so we plan on stopping at a Mexican breakfast spot because I've been craving a chorizo burrito and some coffee. I need some caffeine, and then we can just sunbathe for the rest of the day. We're listening to true crime on the way. The first one was like an hour and it kind of sucked, so I'm trying to redeem myself with another episode because my husband's over it. He wants me to play music right now. But I feel like these true crime podcasts make time go by a lot faster. You just gotta find a good one. But we're like 13 minutes away.
This perfect stranger, mind you. But he tells them that
we just drove past the spot and they're closed. We tried to get breakfast this morning before we left, and that spot was closed too. So I'm just like, no one wants to work on the 4th of July. I feel like we're just gonna have to go to the grocery store or something because no one's open. I mean, I get it, but freaking A. I'm sad. I was really craving that. I'm just hangry right now. We found a breakfast spot that's finally open. Alright, so I got a little pita because that's the closest thing I was gonna get to a burrito, but it has chorizo in it, and he got the PB&J acai bowl. I got my vanilla latte. We just got set up. It looks so good. I love this new umbrella I got off TikTok Shop. It's so freaking cute. It's 11:30. We just put our SPF on. We're gonna chill for a little bit, go in the water. We did pay $80 for parking though. That's pretty crazy, but we got a good spot really close to the beach, and because we have so much stuff, it was just super convenient. So I think it was worth it. Plus we rarely come to the beach, and it is a holiday, so it's kind of expected. We picked up some subs from Jersey Mike's after breakfast, and then we went to Harris Teeter, got some cherries, and we got some IPAs. So I think I'm gonna have one of those in a little bit. Catch a little midday buzz and then go out in the water and just float. That sounds really nice. We just took a dip. Now we're about to eat a little bit. Saturday. My husband and I just got to the park for a walk. I just came on here to end the vlog, but oh my god, those waves were so crazy. I almost lost my glasses in the clip where I dove into the water. I forgot I was wearing them, and I was wearing my Prada glasses too. It scared the crap out of me when they fell off my face, but then I kind of caught them in my feet, so thank god that happened. I was wearing 2 of my silicone rings and they were a little loose on me. One of them came off, got lost in the water, which I don't really care about because those were pretty cheap. My husband and I made sure to pack the SPF and lather it on, but we discovered that we were wearing expired SPF because we both got pretty burnt. I mean, my husband got more red than I did, but it looks better now. Now you look tan.
Yeah, right.
You look good. You're not red anymore.
Yeah, I'm white.
He was super red, and my face got super burnt, my forehead, because I was out reading in the sun for a little bit. Thank goodness we had that umbrella though, because we weren't even in the sun for that long and we still got burnt. So we're not gonna make that mistake again. Always check your SPF to make sure it's not expired. My camera got a little water on it and sand, so that wasn't a good idea for me to bust it out either. I don't know why I always do that. I just wanted to get content. Okay, it's the content creator in me. I'm like, I need more content. But my camera was just kind of like messing up right now and I was getting a little worried. But I think it's okay. It's like working again. It wasn't focusing, and then the colors were a little off. See, I mean, I'm like zooming in and out to try to like mess around with it. Uh-oh, yeah, see, I'm worried about the lens. Oh my god. Let me see. I think it's fine though. Thank the Lord. I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.